In this lesson, we'll explore one of the most magical AI-powered tools in Photoshop, the Colorize Neural Filter. With this filter, you can take a black and white or desaturated image and instantly add realistic color or give a muted photo a fresh, vibrant palette. Now, we need to colorize this black and white image. Let's open the Neural Filters panel and turn on the Colorize filter. Instantly, Photoshop adds color automatically. And as you can see, the result already looks quite good. Let me show you before and after. By default, Auto Color Image is enabled, which means Photoshop automatically detects and applies suitable colors. If you turn this option off, you'll need to colorize the image manually. But honestly, that method isn't recommended unless you're aiming for a very specific custom look. In the Profile section, you'll find several predefined color presets. You can try out different styles and choose the one that fits your image best. Below that, you can adjust saturation. You can also adjust more color settings. Color artifact reduction helps remove unwanted color patches, while noise reduction helps smooth out grain and imperfections. Once you're happy with the result, and take a look at the before and after, the difference is amazing. Click OK. Now, let's look at another example. Again, open the Colorize filter. And Photoshop will automatically apply color to the image. But this time, let's add some custom color adjustments. Now, we want to change the color of this specific area. To do that, simply click on the part of the image. Then, choose the color you want from the color picker, and Photoshop will apply it directly to that area. To extend the effect, hold Alt and click to add more points, allowing you to color multiple areas precisely. You can also increase or decrease the strength of each color point to control how intense the color appears. Let's add one more point and apply a new color. And now you can see how easily we've added extra tones to the photo. So it all depends on your creativity and how you want to colorize your photo. Now, click OK to apply the changes. Let's take a look at the before and after. You can clearly see how the colors have transformed beautifully. Let me show you one more thing. If you want to remove or soften any extra color from the image, you can easily do that using a mask. Just click on the mask, then select a soft brush and lower the opacity a bit. Now, gently paint over the areas where you want to reduce the color intensity. This gives you smooth, natural-looking control over your final result. Let's take a look at the before and after. Manually, Photoshop's Colorize Neural Filter gives you powerful tools to bring black and white images back to life with natural, beautiful colors.